Oh, hi. This is my attempt at festive. I need this to be red. Am I right? I'm right. And this is hot pink. So I'll probably take this off because I'm going to get really irritated because it's hot. It'll be hot. I was trying to look festive for you guys. But here's my cabinet door. Hi, Janet. Hi, Melissa. Hi, Beverly. Here's my door that just happens to be perfect for J-O-Y. No lie, I got this. When I got this back, about a year ago or something. Hi, Lori. From the Goodwills. No, it was Habitat for Humanity. I was thinking, oh, it'd be great because I was getting them to show, like, for sample boards, to show my custom people. And I thought, hey, I could do 3 little miniature ones. No, it was destined to be a joy sign. So there you have it. I'm going to get started, and it's not going to be a long live. I'm telling you. I got stuff to do. I don't know about y'all. You have stuff to do too. This is going to be, it's going to drive me crazy. So we're going to take that off. If you're new and I've never watched before and are still watching and not saying, I don't need to watch this goober, I have better things to do. Don't do that because I can paint. I can sing too. But I don't do that unless someone asks because it feels obnoxious otherwise. That's so dumb. But I'm Kristen Calhoun of She Paints, and I decided painting some decor red. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. So I was going to say that decor like this. I got this from Hobby Lobby, years ago probably, and it was maroon, like maroon and gold. At the time, I loved that. I was like, red, maroon, but it just looked dated and I didn't like it. But I thought, you know what? I like this huge thing. It's a vase-looking thing, but it's a candlestick, really. I still want this in my house. Hello, we can paint it because we have the paint. And you don't have to put primer on it, and it's fun and easy and fast. Boom. I'm not going to paint this red because I love this blue that it turned out. I mixed several DIY paints and made a wax. It's like mermaid tail and mint chip, and I don't remember. And then I sealed it with wax. That piece. This piece is going to be up for sale, by the way. I did finish it, y'all. I put some Dark and Decrepit on it. So I'll show that later. Let's do this. By the way, I have to mention again, because I drink out of this cup every day. Every day. Glamorous Final Creations, I lay ya. Thank you so much. Look at it, y'all. You should go see her page. There. Super sparkly. And it's the color of Old 57. Anyway, I'm going to paint it marquee. I still have this old can of my marquee. And what's cool about this paint is I have a little bit left. But you can put a little bit of water in there, stir it. You have more. I'm just saying. Put on here, and then you know what else I'm going to paint? A photo album. They're all very dated looking. If you're on Instagram at all, I would love for you to go follow my stories. Stories up at the top, little circles. Hit my little thing. I just put a couple on every day-ish. And the dog turns out he was going under the branches at the bottom and kind of chewing. So I thought, what's the harm? He's biting off the Christmas lights. Biting off the lights. Did not know. I heard a crunching. Like chewing on them like they're a treat. So of course I fished it out of his mouth. I told my daughter, it's funny because she's like the adult now. She said, oh my gosh, what if he has internal bleeding? And I was like, I didn't think of that. Does anybody have a piece of decor they're painting? Or is this just me all by myself? I've got my marquee. It's DIY paint. It's a clay-based chalk paint. Yeah, I have. So I'm just going to paint this. Here, should I put it like that? I have wiped this off with a cleaning wipe. That's all. That's all you need to do in most cases. So this is super thick. Since it's towards the bottom, I put a little water in there. I'm going to spray it. You can get wet. And if you want it to be thinner, but you don't usually need that, what you need it for is to make it blend a little better, go on a little smoother, because they tend to get a little bit thick, which is good, but you can put them on normally, and then to blend them, you can re-wet them, because it'll dry, you spray a little water, reactivate it, it's so pretty. And I did take the hardware off, except for these. I forgot to take these off. See, isn't that the color just, oh, I just think it's perfect. It's a perfect red. And these paints, of course, you can, if you don't like this or you want it deeper, you could add, what, a little black to it. You can be a mixologist type of person. You do that. But this is just perfect for my Christmas. This is the color of the Christmas reds that I like. Is anyone painting along with me? Will you let me know? Or anyone planning on painting something? Or are you just like, I mean, if you're just hanging out with me, I'm honored. But I kind of want someone to be transforming some decor. It doesn't have to be red. Hi, Charlene. If I'm hoping that some of you will, you know, transform a piece or two just to make you happier with, you know, your room. Like maybe white, something that's maybe a brass thing, a frame, a candle holder, a vase, a door, something that's, the door wouldn't be brass, hanging out. And I can make a little more farmhouse, so I'm gonna wet distress and reveal some of this wood. But that's your preference. Y'all can make these look brand new if you want, shiny, whatever. I kind of want it to be sort of a class, you know, like just a fun little free class. So if no one's painting, what am I doing? I know how to do it. I try to be calmer, but unless I'm mad or sad, I'm just not really very calm, like ever. But, so you can see how fast that is. So I'm just dipping this in. I'm using a Paint Pixie brush. Of course I'm not doing the back. Do you know me? I'm not going to do the back. So that's one coat. I'm going to grab that photo album. I'm not sure how it'll go, but it'll cover it. Because I want to explain. Because I want to display them like they're huge books. But it's like powder blue and white. It's not going. I'm going to paint it red so that the whole binding of it is red for Christmas. Boom. Question. I need your feedback. I would love to have it. But calling it like 6 minutes with She Paints, that's too long. Ain't nobody gonna read that whole thing. They're gonna be like, son, I'm out. I wanna make it like a, you know, the She Paints 6. That sounds like a team or something. She Paints Quick 6. Rosa, hi, and I love you. Hi, Danica. She Paints in 6. Okay, you guys are great. I'm gonna have to, yeah. Oh, shoot, I forgot I lowered it for... So, anyway, Janky Fabulous in 6. Ladies, stop it. I can't keep up with all of it. I'm going to paint this photo album. This is, I don't know, is this vinyl? It feels like kind of plasticky. I don't know, but I'm going to paint it red because it'll bond. I just don't know. Oh, yeah, well, right now it looks like it's bloody. So, I'm just going to let you know that. But so this will take 2 coats for sure because we don't want those 90s floral pattern in there. Don't want that. I mostly want the binding that I'll have sitting up. So this is gonna, so you can do books easily, quickly. And now I'll put a couple coats, throw some wax on that. All right, I'm gonna go back to this cabinet. Here's the thing, the door with 1 coat marquee. You saw me just kind of throw it on there. So another coat and it will be beautiful. So the next one I can finish this up. I'll let it dry and I'm going to wet distress at the edges. And then we'll wax the sucker. Yes. Oh, it's luscious. Usually a second coat for sure. I'm going to put a little water on there. Not watering it down, just letting it smooth, go on smoothly. It kind of glides like butter. If you find the top coat's getting a little gloppy. You see how easy it is. Why wouldn't you paint old decor? That's my question. Buy some new things, but paint some old ones. That's what I'm saying. This is going to be like that pretty sign that I already painted for my mother-in-law, which I'm going to ship tomorrow. And it was supposed to be a gift, and I didn't get it done while they were here. Lay down your head and sleep, sleep. Something, I'll be your pillow, soft and deep. Bring me your troubles, I will keep. I think I'm singing the wrong words there, but here we go, y'all. I'm gonna wait for this stuff to dry. That looks horrible right now, but it won't with another coat. I am so thankful that you stopped in to watch, and we'll have more of a party next time. Okay, thanks guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.